Hey guys, Asset Firm back with you again with another video. In this video we're going to be talking about fuel pump. So we're going to be replacing our fuel pump and we're going to show you how to do it, where it's located, and what are the symptoms you might be facing. Alright, so in this car, this is a Kia Cerato 2012. So we're in the back seat. You have a lever here which you can just press and it should pop right up. Let me show it to you. Press it and pull. So there you go, that's one. And the second one is here. Alright, so the second one is here. You just press lift and you're done. For some other cars you will have like a strap here which you just pull it, and same goes to the other side. So once you're done you can just pull and you have access to your fuel tank. Alright, so as you can see we have a leak here and that's how it looks like. As you can see we have a leak coming from here somewhere. It's cracked, either that or the seal inside. So we're gonna check that one and we'll show it to you. So some other cars you have your fuel tank underneath the car. Usually the fuel tank underneath the car, you don't have access to the back seat where you can access your fuel pump. So in other cars you have to take out your fuel tank underneath in order to access your fuel pump. But in this case, in our car, it's just under the seat, the rear seat. Okay guys, so before you do anything, make sure you use a blower or a vacuum to clean. As you can see we have a lot of dust here, okay, which accumulated throughout the years. And once you take out the fuel pump, you might maybe slip something inside your tank. It's gonna make your gas tank dirty, so make sure you vacuum it first before you actually open it, or use a blower.
Now we have to disconnect the electric. And then we'll open the pipelines. We have to push these greens inside from both sides. And then we pull it out and it's done. And the other line here. Then we have to unscrew 8 screws. It's size 8 as well. we have to just pull it out. Now we'll put a new one, but we have to be careful with the gauge. This is for the gauge of the petrol. Now, as we put it, we have to push it down. And then we'll tie them to the end, opposite sides. So we made this two, then we will do the other two. Now we are fitting back our pipes and the electric connection. Make sure everything fit well, everything in position. Okay, after we fit everything, we start the car, we check it's working well, there's no leak, there's nothing. We double check as well, the petrol gauge meter to make sure that's working as well. And now all fine, so we can close it and we are done.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's how you change your fuel pump. And now we're just gonna put this rear seat back on and we're done. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.